Hello everyone, and welcome back to Linh Linh House. In today's video, we will take you on a journey into the world of organic architecture, where soft curves, flowing lines, and a lush green garden come together to create a home that feels like part of nature itself. This house is not just a building, it is a living space that celebrates harmony, beauty, and sustainability. Let's begin this inspiring exploration. The idea of organic architecture is rooted in the belief that a home should blend seamlessly with its surroundings. It avoids sharp divisions between human-made and natural forms. Instead, it embraces curves, natural textures, and openness. This concept makes the home feel alive, like it grew from the earth itself. The house becomes more than a shelter, it becomes part of the landscape. Every curve of this home tells a story of gentleness and flow. Straight lines give way to arches, circles, and natural shapes. The walls bend gracefully, almost like waves frozen in motion. Each element invites the eye to follow its path, leading to a sense of peace. Nothing feels rigid or forced, everything feels free. The garden is not just a backdrop, but an integral part of the design. Plants weave around the house, climbing softly along walls and spilling over terraces. The air is filled with the fragrance of flowers and the sound of rustling leaves. This union of house and garden creates a sanctuary where nature is always near. It is a place that nourishes both body and spirit. Light plays a magical role in this home. Curved windows and skylights allow sunshine to pour in from unexpected angles. The daylight changes as the hours pass, painting the interior with shifting tones. At night, soft lighting enhances the flowing forms, giving the space a warm and inviting glow. The house feels different every moment, yet always harmonious. Organic architecture also respects the materials of the earth. Stone, wood, and clay are shaped to fit naturally into the design. Instead of hiding imperfections, it celebrates them. The touch of rough stone or the grain of wood brings authenticity. This connection to real materials reminds us that beauty lies in the natural world. The heart of the home is its openness. Curved rooms flow into one another without harsh boundaries. Spaces are connected like branches of a tree, each leading naturally to the next. This creates a sense of freedom and unity. Every corner feels connected, yet each retains its own intimacy. The garden becomes a living room under the sky. Soft pathways meander through greenery, leading to quiet nooks and open gathering spaces. Birds and butterflies become daily companions. Water features reflect light and add the gentle sound of flow. It is a garden designed not for display, but for living. This house teaches us to slow down. Its design encourages calmness and reflection. Sitting by a curved window, looking out at the garden, time seems to soften. The rushing of daily life fades away. What remains is a sense of being present, of truly belonging to the moment. Children find joy in spaces that feel playful and inviting. The curves spark imagination, turning corners into secret hideaways. Adults, too, rediscover a childlike wonder. Walking through the home feels like exploring a dream, gentle, surprising, yet deeply comforting. It is architecture that brings joy. The philosophy of organic architecture is also deeply sustainable. By using local materials and natural airflow, the house reduces its impact on the environment. The garden cools the air and cleanses it. Rainwater can be collected, and natural light reduces the need for energy. Living in such a house is not only beautiful but responsible. Seasons transform the house in subtle ways. In spring, blossoms frame the windows. In summer, greenery offers shade and freshness. Autumn paints the garden in warm tones, and winter reveals the strength of structure. The house never feels static, it evolves with nature's rhythm. Inside, the furniture follows the same philosophy of curves and flow. Tables and chairs are crafted to echo the shapes of the house. Nothing feels harsh or mechanical. Each piece feels organic, almost sculptural. It is an interior that breathes the same language as the architecture. This style of living changes the way people experience home. It is not about possessions or perfection. It is about connection to nature, to the moment, and to oneself. The home becomes a mirror of a gentler way of life. Simplicity, beauty, and balance take the place of excess. The soundscape of the house is as important as its form. The trickle of water, the rustle of leaves, the chirping of birds all flow through the curved spaces. Sound does not bounce harshly, it moves softly, like in nature. This creates a sense of serenity, a quiet that is never empty. Guests who visit this home often feel as if they have stepped into another world. They describe it as peaceful, inspiring, even healing. It is not just architecture, it is an experience. It speaks to something deep within us, a longing to be close to the natural world. Living in such a home inspires creativity. The curves encourage freedom of thought. The connection to nature nurtures ideas and imagination. Artists, writers, and dreamers find this environment deeply supportive. It is a house that sparks not just comfort, but inspiration. At its heart, this house is about harmony. Harmony between human and nature, form and function, beauty and sustainability. It reminds us that architecture can be more than walls and roofs, it can be poetry in stone, wood, and light. It is a vision of how we can live closer to the earth and closer to ourselves. Thank you so much for joining us today on Linh Linh House. We hope this journey into the world of organic architecture has inspired you to see homes in a new light, soft, flowing, and deeply connected with nature. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We appreciate your support, and we look forward to welcoming you back for more beautiful ideas. See you next time.